Oh boy. Uh, yeah, it's been snowing out nonstop. I think I'm going to take you guys on a property tour before the snow starts up again. But I also have to get some choring done as well. Look at all this ridiculous snow. Oh, first things first, I gotta get those panels uncovered. Gotta find my shovel. And yeah, get to choring. Just cleared the majority of the snow off the panels. There's so much there I don't want to lose the panels, but I'm not going to draw any power from the sun today. There's no sun to draw power from. It's a moot point. Yeah, it's unfortunate. The batteries are not charging. I am carrying power, so I'm going to shut this off. Start up the generator and
no
charge
charging.
Up the batteries. I will recommend a Furman generator. I was fortunate to get this one for the price I did. It is a beautiful generator. Literally like a 1 or 2 pull start and fairly quiet. And is really good on gas. It is amazing on gas. I think I ran it all last night and the tank is still somewhat full. Hey guys, so I know it's not the most exciting of videos, just did a couple chores, which I didn't even have the camera on for. Shoveled some snow and started some my generator and whatnot, but that's the life. Not much to do on the homestead during the winter, especially when you first, got to the homestead. But for now, I'm going to head back outside, let the Jenny charge up the batteries, let some heat get into the camper, and go help my neighbor do the plowing. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like this video. If you don't like this video, like this video. And think about subbing. That'd be freaking awesome.